Hi everyone, this is Mackenzie at SoundTraxx, and for this month's tech tip, we're going to talk about the website again. This time, we're going to talk about our shopping cart feature and promo codes. So let's get started. So here we are on the homepage of SoundTraxx.com. If we go up here to the main navigation, we can get to the web store. And this is where you can shop for any of our products, but you can also find a lot of information on them as well. So we're going to go into Tsunami 2 digital sound decoders. And as you can see, you get a quick little blurb about the product, and then you get each decoder in the product line here that you can click on to shop and learn more about that specific decoder. If you keep scrolling down, you can learn more about the Tsunami 2 features that run across all of the decoder formats, and you can get quick access to a few of our newer feature videos. You can also find some quick links down here at the bottom for choosing the right sound systems, Tsunami 2 sound samples, Tsunami 2 manuals, and videos. All of these links can also be found in our navigation. So let's go back up to the decoders. And we're just going to go ahead and act like we're going to buy a decoder. So let's say we want to buy a 21-pin decoder. So we can click on that decoder, and all of these Tsunami 2 decoder pages are set up similarly. First, you get a picture of the decoder, the name, and you get the part number once you pick on the decoder sound profile, or flavor, as George refers to them. So here you can pick Steam 2, EMD, EMD2, GE, Alco, Baldwin and others, and electric. So let's say we need a Steam decoder. Then you can see your part number pops up here. If instead of Steam we wanted diesel, you can see that part number changes. And you can see how many are in stock on our website right now. And if you scroll down, you can learn a little bit more about the decoder. You get a quick description, specifications. You can have some more quick links to the documentation that can also be found in the manual section under the reference tab here. And we also have speakers that are compatible with each of these decoders that you can go through, and you can click right on that Shop Now button to go to the speakers page. You can also hear all of the sound samples for these decoders on the decoder pages, but you can also hear those under the reference tab and then sound samples. Alright, let's go back up and let's add some of these to our cart. I'm going to add 2 to my cart because our specific promotion we have running right now for Valentine's Day is specific to having 2 decoders in your cart. I'm going to hit add to cart. Okay, and you get a confirmation message. If you want to keep shopping, you can do that. You can check out right away, or you can just go to view your cart. And as you see, when you get to this page, the decoders you want are here, and then you have additional information. So here's where you can add a coupon code or a gift certificate. Today we're talking about coupon codes, so I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go ahead and type in our coupon code. Key factors here is you have to have the product that the coupon code is specific for in the cart. And you have to make sure you type it right, and then you hit apply. And you can see your discount right here. If the coupon code doesn't work, there can be several reasons for this. For example, if I only had 1 decoder in the cart, when this coupon code is specific for 2, and I try to add it, I get an error message because I have not met the minimum requirements for that coupon code. You'll get a similar error message if you try to use a coupon code that's expired or invalid, anything like that. And so if I go ahead and add the other decoder and re-add the code, it works. And you can see it takes away your discount there. You can continue to the checkout screen where you enter in all your payment information and shipping, or you can continue shopping and editing your cart. Back when we were on the product page and you added the decoders to your cart, if you had chosen to just proceed to checkout instead of viewing or editing your cart, you can still add the coupon code. You do not have to view your cart first to add the coupon code. It's just in a little different place. Tells you what's in your cart still, and you can edit your cart if you need to change that. And right here you have the option for a coupon code or a gift card, so we can go ahead and add that same coupon code. and then we can see the discount is applied right here. And then you can continue to go through and set up your account or continue as a guest to check out and buy your product. Now that's just a real quick overview of how coupon codes work on our website. It may seem kind of simple, but we have had people have problems with this. The main issues people face are not having the right products in the cart. So this one is specific to having 2 decoders. We've had other sales where you get a shirt or a speaker free with a certain purchase. You have to have the minimum amount for that purchase to qualify for your free speaker, and then you also have to have your free speaker in the cart, and it takes away the price. So you just make sure that you always read the details in our Facebook posts or emails or however you're hearing about the sale. And then if you're having problems with your coupon codes working, you can always email us or call us and we'll help you get them added to your cart as quickly as possible. You may also note that we have several different promo codes for the same sale, and that is for tracking purposes for us. So if you're subscribed to our email and to our social media, you might see several different codes for the same sale, and you can use any of those. That's just for tracking for our marketing purposes, so we know where the sales are coming from, whether they're coming from email, from Facebook, from our website, etc. But for you as an end user, it really doesn't matter. You can use any of those codes that you have come by. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you.